What's going on YouTube? 3G Racing here, coming back at you with another video today. I got the Eclipse here with me. Autocross, got some new numbers on there. Actually had to fix it this morning. I had to replace the starter in there, so I'll show you guys that quick. So we got the new starter in there. It took all less maybe 45 minutes to an hour. It's really easy. I'll show you guys like 2 bolts. You got to take off the heat shield on there. And it just comes in, slap the new one on there, starts up, ready to go whenever. So we'll be back at the track at Pocono this weekend. But I got another surprise for you guys, which is I'm hoping gonna help me out with the racing. So let me show you that quick. So we got this new Energy Innovations wheel. I got it with the buttons on there too, because I do have the nitrous kit that I still want to install for the car. But I like the material of this better. You know, I'm kind of, when I'm racing sometimes, this wheel gets a little slippery. It's the leather, it gets hot. My hands start sweating, so I figured with this on here, sorry guys, a lot of kids running by right now, but I figured with this wheel on here, it'll be good for what I'm looking to do with the car. So let's get on to the install. So to start, we're gonna disconnect the battery here. You don't want the airbags going off while you're working on this thing, so disconnect the battery and then we'll make our way inside. So what you got to do, there's little holes on each side of the steering wheel. You throw a little hex key in there, should be able to get them out. So it's a size 4 here on the scale. Just fits right in there. So you're going to turn it counterclockwise, and that should be able to release this portion of the steering wheel here, which then you can get to the bolts. So once you get that done, you'll have the wheel. It should look like this. I'm pretty sure all you got to do is pop off that center nut. It looks like it's I don't know, 17 maybe. So let me grab the socket and then we'll get that out hopefully and put this new wheel in. All right, y'all, so the steering wheel is now off. I just got to tug it a little bit. It's right there. Disassembled everything, kind of. Didn't really have to do that. But yeah, so the steering wheel's off. I just got to get this little yellow SRS. I don't know what the technical term is for it, but got to take that off. So I'm going to remove the screws that go and hold this piece in and this piece in here. And it looks like there's 2 screws inside there. I'll show you in a second that hold that in. And we should be able to slide the new wheel right on there. So here's the 2 screws I was talking about. There's one right up in there and one right there. So I think that's all. So we'll remove those and then yeah, we'll get right to it. All right guys, then after you're done tightening that bolt back in, all you're gonna do is line it up, put all these little bolts back in, tighten them up on there. And your steering wheel will be the 2 buttons there. I'm going to use one for the horn button, one for nitrous. It looks like it's about to start raining out here, so I'm actually going to head in for the day. But maybe I'll do a part 2 of this video. But that's how you install your NRG steering wheel. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that, and I'll see y'all next video. Peace.